Hi guys, today I will be showing how to make a better rocket launcher. So you might already say that the normal rocket launcher is the best, but for me, it just doesn't work. So to get the new one, slam the rocket turret on the ground as hard as possible. Unfortunately, you can't hold it, but it can be roped to a hand. This person keeps looking at me funny. I think I know how to fix it. Also, the rocket looks more like a ballistic missile. And you can also change stats of the rocket. Now that we've set the power to 1000, let's see how it handles some more NPCs. The targets might have been slightly damaged. Also, this works with the knife turret too. ONVM, they have the same fire rate. Anyways, bye.